Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to do Exp25 Word Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Retirement. Basically this is the fourth chapter of Word section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step, and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email, and you can hire me for your complete courses. I will produce A grade for you throughout your degree program, so please hire me for your courses. So at start of the instruction you can see the project description. There is nothing to solve in project description, but I suggest you to read this project description so that you can get an idea about the assignment. So once you will go through this project description, this will be easy for you to solve this assignment on your own. So go through this project description, get an idea about the assignments, and so that you feel easy to solve this assignment on your own. Then we have main part of the assignment, that is project steps. And total steps that we are supposed to solve in this assignment are 16. So in this video I will be doing these steps and I will make you learn as well. So you are simply supposed to watch this complete video and you are supposed to follow me if you want to get this assignment done for you. Because I am going to do this assignment step by step, I will explain each and every single step and question, and then you will be able to do this assignment as well. So now I will start from step number 1 and I will solve this assignment step by step. So step number 1 of the assignment is saying start Word, download and open the file named Exp25 Word Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Retirement. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So this is the file that we're going to use to solve this assignment. This is the Word document I have already downloaded from the Pearson dashboard, and you can also download this from your Pearson or course dashboard. So we will apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Word document, and we will make this Word document in the final form for the submission. So your first task in step number 1 is to download and open this Word document. Step number 1 of the assignment is just saying that download and open this Word document. There is nothing else to solve in step number 1. So that is all about step number 1 of the assignment. So now let's move to step number 2. Step number 2 is saying ensure that the markup view is all markup. On the second page, click the indication showing the deletion of the word living. Reject the change. So first we will move to the Word document, then go to review tab, and here we are supposed to, in markup we are supposed to make this all markup. Okay. Now we will go to page 2 and it is saying the deletion of the word living. And we are supposed to reject the change. Okay, this one. So now after we rejected the change, now we can see the word living here, because it deleted the word living and we are supposed to reject that change. So I rejected that change that was deleting the word living, and that is all about step number 2. We were supposed to reject the deletion of the word living in step number 2. Okay, so we are done with step number 2. Now let's move to step number 3. Step number 3 is saying accept all other tracked changes in the document and stop tracking. So now we are supposed to accept all the other changes and then we are supposed to stop the track changes. So for this purpose go to tracking again, then go to track changes, go to accept, and from here select this option that is saying accept all changes and stop tracking, this one. Now we have accepted all the changes into the document and we have accepted the changes and we stop the tracking, and that is all about step number 2. So we have completed second step as well. So now let's move to step number 4. Step number 4 of the assignment is saying change the view to simple markup. Change all heading as indicated by comments in the document. So first we are supposed to change the view to simple markup. So again we will go to review tab, and in markup you can see that all markup is selected, but we are supposed to change this all markup to simple markup. So click this arrow and select simple markup for this one. Now we are supposed to change the heading according to the comments in the instruction. Like first comment is on page 2, that is saying this is listed as heading 2 but it should be heading 1. Please change this heading to heading 1 style. So this introduction heading is listed as heading 2, but we are supposed to change this introduction heading to heading 1. So for this purpose go to home tab and go to styles, and from here you can see that heading 2 is selected for this introduction heading. So now we will make it to heading 1. This is heading 1. So I have changed this. Okay. Now it is saying, second comment is saying please change all the heading formatted with heading 3 to heading 2. So now we are supposed to change the all headings that are formatted as heading 3, but we are supposed to change them to heading 2. Like this one is heading 3, but we are supposed to make it heading 2. Again go to style, and now you can see that this is heading 3, but we are supposed to make it heading 2. Okay. Now this one is also heading 3, we will make it heading 2. Okay. And now this one is heading 3, we will make it heading 2. Okay. Now let me see this one. This is heading 3, we will make it heading 2. This is heading 3, we will make it heading 2. And this one is heading 3, we will make it heading 2. So we were supposed to make all the headings that were formatted as heading 3, we were supposed to change them to heading 2. So I have changed all the headings that were formatted as heading 3 to heading 2. Okay. Now let me see the third comment. Third comment is not about the heading. Okay. Now let me see the fourth comment, that is please change this heading to heading 3 style. So this one we are supposed to change this to heading 3 style. So make it heading 3. Okay. So that is all about step number 4, where we were supposed to change the headings according to the comments given in the document. So I have changed all the headings according to the comments given in the instruction of step number 4. So we are done with step number 4. Now let me do step number 5. Step number 5 of the assignment is saying reply to the first comment by entering done and posting the reply. Mark the first 2 comments that are related to heading style as resolved. So first we will go to first comment. First comment is on page 2. We are supposed to reply to this comment by typing done. Okay, type done and click this arrow. So now you can see that I have replied to this comment by typing done in the reply. Now we are supposed to resolve the first two comments that are about the heading as given in the instruction. It is saying mark the first two comments that are related to heading style as resolved. So this is the first comment. Click these three dots and click resolve thread. Okay. Now this is also about the heading. Click these three dots and resolve thread. Okay. So we were supposed to resolve first two comments that were about the heading as resolved. So I have resolved first two comments of the document. So that is all about step number 5. So I have completed 5 steps of this assignment. Okay. Now I am going to do step number 6. Step number 6 is saying change the writing style to APA 6th edition. Apply the following formatting to all the pages of the document except the cover page. So first thing that we are supposed to do in step number 6 is to change the writing style to APA. So go to the document, then go to reference tab, and you can see that in citation and bibliography ML style is selected. But we are supposed to change this ML style to APA. So click this arrow and from here select APA. Okay, so I have changed the citation style to APA. Now we are supposed to make the changes to the document. So first one is saying document is double spaced with the exception of the included table and any captions. The first line of every paragraph includes a first line indent of 0.5 with the exception of heading lines, the included table and the bulleted item. Use the paragraph dialog box, not the ruler, to set the first line indent. So we are supposed to double space, document is double spaced. Okay, so first we are supposed to make the document double space. Select this one. Click paragraph spacing, or you can simply select this whole one and then go to home tab. After going to home tab, here is line spacing and make it to double. Okay, now select all these because we are not supposed to include the tables. Okay, so select all these and again select the double spacing. Okay, then include all these and make the line spacing to double. Okay, so I have changed the line spacing to double. Now we are supposed to apply first line indent, and we are supposed to first apply the first line indent only to the body paragraph, not to the table, not to the citation and not to the headings. So I will select first these. Okay, and go to paragraph setting and here first line indent of 0.5. Okay, this one. Okay, now select this one. First line indent is already applied. You can see first line indent is already applied. Okay, now select this one, apply the first line indent. Now select this one, but don't include the bullets to the selection. Okay, because we are not supposed to apply the first line indent to bullets. Okay, we are supposed to apply the first line indent to the paragraph only. This one. Okay, now we have this one. and then we have this one. So we will apply first line indent to this one as well, and then the last one is this one. Okay, but I think we have conclusion as well. Let me see the conclusion, this one. Okay, so we were supposed to apply first line indent to the document, but we were not supposed to include the headings, bullet and the tables to this selection. Okay, so I have applied the first line indent. So that is all about step number 6. So we are done with 6 steps of this assignment, and now I am going to do step number 7. Step number 7 is saying place the insertion point before the period at the end of the sentence of 403B plan section. So first we will go to 403 plan section. 403, this one. So now we are supposed to insert the insertion point. Sentence end is TSA plan. TSA plan. Here we are supposed to insert the insertion point before the period and the end of the first sentence in the 403 plan section. Okay, so I have inserted. Now we are supposed to insert a citation to a new website source. So now we are supposed to add a new source, choosing a retirement plan. So that is the name of the web page. So first we will go to the document, go to reference, click insert citation and click add a source. So our source is website. Okay, now name of the web page is given, that is choosing a retirement plan. Choosing a retirement plan, then colon space, then it is saying 403B tax sheltered annuity plan. 403B tax sheltered plan. That is the name of web page. Okay, so I have typed the name of the web page, then name of the website is IRS and year is 2026. IRS, year is 2026. Month is also given, that is October, and day is 8 October, day is 8, and then we are supposed to copy this URL and then we will paste here. Okay, so then we will click OK and this citation will be inserted. So in this video I have solved 8 steps for you. That is half of the assignment that I have completed for you in this video. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Access assignments, then you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course, and I guarantee that you will get A grade in this course. My WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. Please contact me either through WhatsApp or email and hire me for your courses, and I make sure that you will get A grade in this course. Thank you so much again.